Hey guys, this is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity report. We're going to start doing this daily for you. April 2nd, 2013. A bunch of interesting trades I saw going across the tape. The first one I want to talk about is OKE. Natural gas play. We've been talking about this one for a while. Paper came in and bought 2,500 OKE, April 52.5 calls for 140. These calls were purchased yesterday for $1, almost 14,000 of these. OKE. If we look at a chart here, we have a spinning top on the daily. If we bring it up in the Ichimoku cloud, for me to take a bullish setup, I need one, the stock to be trading above the cloud. That has been qualified, yes. Two, I need the 9-period moving average above the 26. That is true, but they are in the Ichimoku cloud, which shows less conviction. Number three, I need the stock to be far, far away where it traded 26 periods ago. We see a very, very short trend here. This is the lagging indicator. This is where it traded 26 days ago. Number four, I need the Ichimoku cloud to be up and out. We see a reversal of the cloud here. So it's not a bullish pattern enough for me to take unusual option activity in OKE. Next one I want to look at, Boyd. I did take a trade today in Boyd. We saw unusual option activity in the September 9 calls and the May 9 calls. I went in and I jumped in. I bought the Sep 9 calls for 80 cents. Paper paid 75 for these in BYD. Let's look at Boyd on the daily chart. I think this is a much better setup. If we see here, everything we need is right here. Okay, 9-day moving average is above the 26. Number one has been met. Number two is above the Ichimoku cloud. Number three, 26 days ago was much farther away than where it is now. So it has plenty of room to run to the upside. Number four, getting a thin cloud, possible reversal, but the cloud is future Ichimoku cloud is pointed up and out to the right side. So it looks like a setup. I bought September 9 calls in BYD for 80 cents. Risk on this trade is $80 per one lot. My reward in theory is unlimited. 5.3 times usual volume. Bullish activity today in BYD. Last one I want to take a look at, which is a very, very interesting trade that I didn't take a trade in, is FPN. Is it FPN? What? Next one's going to be NFP. NFP, we saw a huge order, 13,608. NFP, April 18 puts being bought on the offer, 50 cents. If you look at here, this is a great bull channel. You know, we see these moving averages starting to flatten out towards the end of the day. Reversal day to day, spinning top, possible highs. We see how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About 8 times it got up to 1940, 1935, 1950. Found selling pressure. Does that mean that we can possibly sell off? It is under the 9-day moving average. Getting close to 26, paper bought 13,600. FNP. April 18 puts, 50 cents. Risk on this trade, $50 per one lot. Reward on this trade, $1,700 per one lot. Break even $1,750. When I look at a trade like this, puts are bought for one of two reasons. Puts are bought as speculation to the downside or a hedge against a long stock position. I thought this, as I saw this trade going across the tape, this is more likely a hedge against a long stock position. So I did not take a trade in FNP, but keep an eye on for big movement in FNP. This is Andrew Keen from KeenOnTheMarket.com. This is your unusual option activity report that we're going to start doing daily, every single day, pointing out the best 3 trades of the day, looking at them in the charts after the close, and I'll tell you the positions I have on. Thanks, guys, and have a great night. We'll run it back tomorrow.